Hello there.
Yes.
Are you? Oh, that's beautiful. Park coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, I was thinking the same thing. Oh,
Spanish came here and they robbed the city. So it was necessary. There was a necessity to create this circle canal because The Hague had not the official status of a city.
First bridge, stop.
The little custard, they look like little custard tarts.
Okay,
I don't know what.
Tony.
It's a ciabatta.
No, there's more bread.
They're in there.
The little rum butter cakes.
Yeah, but are they talking about two different things? Someone's talking about sausage.
So it's symmetric. Later on, we will see other Art Nouveau style buildings, but then it is Jugendstil that is completely different from this.
The storks were babies, right? Storks brought babies, but why would they have a heel?
In those days, Indonesia was a colony of the Netherlands. Can you imagine such? It used to be a Roman Catholic monastery, however, it has changed, and you see on the tip of this. It's not a Roman Catholic anymore, but it is an Orthodox.
Oh yeah, with the two, yeah.
Are you comfortable, John?
I am. I got my little pad. I'm good.
It's right here.
On the other.
Oh, right there.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Oh,
Hajimara.
shakabra.
Shakabra Hajimara. We got to make Patrick and Sam jealous. No, we're too low. That's okay.
Fail.
Your initials on the roof over there.
Oh yeah, EB.
And that stands for Bertus Beekman, and Bertus Beekman was a master blacksmith.
Oh.
Yes, it's a real bird because it's moving.
It's also Jugendstil style. You see the white
Yes.
style, right? And just next to it you have the Gothic revival style. But if you watch more closely, you see that the front door is in the middle because it's one house. With two
different styles.
Types of fronts.
Yeah.
Whose
Why?
face is that?
Well, it is
That looks like a king.
it is the, yeah, but it isn't. No. Yeah, but definitely, initially I thought it was the king and Maxima, but it's not.
Bigger.
Almost.
Hi, Sophie.
More. Yay. A little bit more.
More.
How do you like it? How do you like it?
That's
Andy,
the way.
you're right in front of me. I'm not in the picture.
I'm trying to.
Look at all the spiders.
You're pushing off the olives. Stop
Look
it.
at all the spiders.
You're pushing off the olives.
Ew, there's a lot of
spider nests.
It's
No, I see a lot.
spider down the water spout.
There's a lot of poo-poo. Lots of poo-poo.
No, I know.
Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
No, that's not a good angle.
Santa Claus, down.
Oh my god. No, that's a terrible.
And this is long, too.
Oh my god.
Long duck dong.
Long duck dong.
Long duck dong.
Oh, that's the other.
Oh, they're signing you.
I like how you heard that.
Why don't you call my child?
Tomorrow afternoon, yeah. Yeah, we come once a week.
And that's the fight that comes in.
And there's one sandwich.